Today guys, we're going to do harvesting. What's he selling? Blackberries.
Blackberries.
Blackberries and grapes. So oh my lord. Let's start picking because this is the last fruit of the season of this summer. So it needs to picking. Mm. So that's the berries. So it's become smaller when it's end of the season. So this is the last one to harvest. So there. So this is blackberries. So leave the others to ripen a bit. So that's what we do. If we don't harvest, look what happened. They becomes dry and unedible. So let's put it there so it will grow for next year. There. These are wild these, these are wild berries. But it grows in my garden and that's okay, so I'll go to the other side for the
You walk
grapes.
through there.
No, I'll go from here.
It's not space.
I'll find the space as well as the like this. Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. Isn't that amazing? This purple. This is perennial and it flowers year after year, and is the 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 flowers doesn't smell, but the leaves is aromatic. It's nice when you brush it like this. It's like menthol. Okay, so this is the grapes. My lord, I can't really reach it. Okay, so
Where's your secretary?
yeah. So that's the grapes. Cute. Okay. Let's I should have used my secateur. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Amazing Grace.
Amazing it is. Okay, so more. Wow, amazing. Oh, so it's here. Oh, there's something there. Oh, there's still a bit of green, but it needs to pick. Oopsie.
Oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy. Yeah! Lovely. Let's pull down. Sweet. Oh dear. I think that's enough. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think there are branches to go over there, so I assume they get fruit as well on the other side. So this is the grapes that we just harvested and a few of the blackberries. And look at these, guys. These are asters. So they are like a carpet of asters. I didn't plant this. So they just grow by themselves and every year they come up like this. Flowers like this. So look, there's lots of what's this? Bumblebees or bees. They
Yeah.
loves it. See? all that, but they don't bite. Oh yeah, they are bees. It's under here. So it's amazing. It's a carpet flowers. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So, so that is the harvest for today guys. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. See you again on my next video. Thank you.